protein, antioxidants, phytonutrients, essential fatty acid, vitamins, minerals. How many nutritional supplements do you think it would take to bring all these important ingredients into a healthy diet? How about just one? It's a green superfood called spirulina, a microscopic spiral blue-green algae that's been around for 3.5 billion years and used as a naturally grown food source for centuries. It's a great way to supplement the diet for both adults and children. Spirulina has many benefits, the most important of which are support for immune health and natural antioxidant protection. It offers a unique blend of antioxidants like beta-carotene and phycocyanin, more than 60% easy-to-digest all-vegetable protein, a rich source of phytonutrients, a rare food source for the essential fatty acid GLA or omega-6, and easy-to-absorb iron. That's quite a package. Just one 3-gram serving a day is equivalent to 3 to 4 servings of common vegetables in terms of antioxidant content. Now here's why Earthrise spirulina should be your preferred choice for this natural, healthy, and versatile superfood. We pioneered spirulina production 25 years ago in the Southern California desert with the country's first spirulina farm, which now has grown to 180 acres with 30 ponds and can produce 500 metric tons a year. We are now the world's largest spirulina producer with an unwavering commitment to quality. Locating the Earthrise farm in a desert environment provides not only the strong sunlight necessary to grow high-quality spirulina, but an environment away from congested development and pollution. And security is high at the facility to ensure product safety and quality.
About 30 years ago, several bright, forward-looking people in America and Japan all came to the same idea at about the same time, that spirulina was a food for the future. The spirulina industry has grown to a sizable industry as nutritionists and medical doctors recognize the value of spirulina. Scientific researchers come to Earthrise as the authority for good, pure, wholesome spirulina.
Let's take a look at the carefully controlled, multi-step process that produces the highest quality spirulina in the world. Our growing season is from April through October. Our water comes from the Colorado River into a special reservoir with its purity assured by bioassay and regular testing. Each pond is protected by a food-grade liner. The spirulina is cultivated using premium, food-grade nutrients with clean water added every day. Paddle wheels constantly mix the water to circulate the algae for optimum nutrient and sunlight absorption. We take an ecological approach to producing a pure spirulina culture with no pesticides or herbicides, soil erosion, or water contamination. Per kilo of protein, spirulina cultivation uses less land, water, and energy than conventional crops. We use no additives, stabilizers, preservatives, or irradiation. And our closed-loop water recycling process is environmentally friendly. Spirulina is harvested every day. From the ponds, it is pumped through a sealed harvesting system, never touched by human hands. Several stages of filtering remove water and homogenize the culture. It then enters a quick spray drying system and is exposed to heat for only a few seconds to assure maximum potency of sensitive nutrients, pigments, and enzymes. The harvesting process takes only 15 minutes from the pond to dry product to ensure freshness. The product may be packaged for bulk shipment or formatted into high-quality tablets, capsules, and caplets. We use recyclable, light-blocking glass with a high-quality bottle seal as well as a clear safety seal around the cap and neck.
As a vice president of production, I have helped over the years in implementing several policies and procedures that have helped to increase the capacity and the quality of the production of this facility. We're looking for ways of exceeding world standards, thus maintaining our #1 position as world spirulina producer.
The superior quality of Earthrise spirulina is the direct result of a commitment to science and technology. We constantly subject our processes and products to diligent and rigorous scrutiny. Where applicable, our analyses follow FDA guidelines, and we use AOAC official methods in our quality assurance and quality control operation to ensure that label claims are accurate. The objectives of the Earthrise scientific team are threefold: to improve production, quality, and safety of spirulina, to develop meaningful new products, and to contribute to the advancement of research on the benefits of spirulina. Testing starts at the beginning of each season and continues on a regular basis. The process begins as soon as water enters the system and is tested for purity. We maintain a high-tech laboratory with sophisticated equipment. Over 30 tests per production lot are performed on live culture and dry product. During cultivation, we test algal biomass density and growth rate, sample the ponds daily for 20 different parameters, and maintain the culture at its peak. Daily microscopic examinations of samples from the ponds make sure no contaminants are present. After harvesting and production, we test for approximately 60 environmental contaminants, including trace heavy metals, pesticides, and herbicides. Enzyme-linked immunosolvent assay, or ELISA methods, are used to detect nanogram levels of any toxins, a capability available at very few labs in the world. And we check the microbiology for every production lot. We also evaluate carotenoid, phycocyanin, protein, and other content to make sure Earthrise spirulina meets our demanding expectations. High-performance liquid chromatography is used for beta-carotene analysis performed in accordance with AOAC methods. These processes also enable us to confirm that our label claim information is comprehensive and accurate. We've achieved very consistent quality levels over the years, which is quite difficult when working with a living organism. Our quality assurance processes meet or exceed all international food standards. We undergo regular ISO audits. Independent labs periodically confirm levels of protein, pigments, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, microbiology, and heavy metals. And as a grower, we maintain complete data to support our customers. To support the advancement of research on the functions and benefits of spirulina, we have conducted or sponsored over 20 scientific studies in the areas of algal biomass production, development of industry standards, and therapeutic effects.
The Earthrise scientific team keeps abreast of recent developments in the science of spirulina by participating in national and international conferences, and we are members of many scientific organizations and associations. Work here at the technical division goes beyond just doing analysis. In fact, we are proud that we were able to compile the scientific literature on the safety of spirulina and declare our products as generally regarded as safe after presenting the scientific review to FDA.
So how do you know that all this adds up to credible, consistent quality that you can count on? First are the certifications we have received: ISO 9001-2000, GMP, GRAS by FDA review, and kosher. Second is third-party research, like a study on brain health from the University of South Florida, on phycocyanin and antioxidants from Kagawa Nutrition University, on anti-HIV effects from Harvard Medical School, and a human clinical trial on allergic rhinitis from the University of California at Davis. And last, but certainly not least, Earthrise spirulina continues to garner regular coverage in both the consumer and trade press.
No other food comes close to packing the nutritional punch of spirulina. It lends itself to being blended with fruit and vegetable juices, into cereals, grains, nuts, and to things like soups, salad dressings. It'll be easy, convenient, and inexpensive to get your daily serving of spirulina.
So where can this wonderful, all-in-one substance called spirulina be found? At thousands of retailers worldwide, including health and nutrition stores, specialty grocers, and drugstores. It's all part of the Earthrise Nutritional's commitment to quality in everything we do.